All right, so we got a lot of things going on here and a lot of things are working. We have all the data that we need displaying right here on this form. The next thing is to update this form, and we need to create the update query for that. And I think we have the update query somewhere in the add. Let's go ahead and see if we can get it from maybe comments. And let's say view all comments right here, edit. I think view all comments has all that data that we need. So let's check it out real quick. Or we can check out edit post and check it out there. Edit post does not have, there we go. Edit post has a little bit a better one that we need. All right, so let's go ahead and take this actually. I think we're gonna need this one here, and perfect. Let's just take the whole thing. Take it from edit post. This is the great thing about copy and paste, right? We can get all that data here. All right, so let's go to where we were before, edit user right here, not far away. All right, so instead of having all this here, what we need to do is have that query that we just pulled from there right here, and let's just paste it right here. Okay, we need to change a couple things here though. All right, so we're gonna update users. All right, and we need to change a couple of these parameters here. Well, not parameters, variables, and column names and all that to match ours here for the user table. So let's change the columns first. We're gonna change the user first name. What else? User last name, user role, and all that. Let's just type it in. I think we can do it. Role, and what's the next one? Username, user email. It's actually right there. So let's just username, user email, and user password. Password right there. I think we didn't miss anything right now. Perfect. We're not displaying a whole bunch of things, just what we need. All right. And let's change that to variables. How about that? So let's go ahead and do that right here. Since we name this the same, we can just copy this in front of this dollar sign and we're good to go, right? And we don't have that here, so we need to make that. All right, double quotes, brackets, and let's paste it right there. Make sure we put that dollar sign there. All right, username, email, password. Okay. All right, so user ID. Make sure you change that, the word statement, where user ID equals the user ID. And this is the user ID that we are using right now. All right. Okay. Perfect. If this is not, we're not gonna need that right now. So and this is another there, but we're not, like I said, we're not gonna need that now. We need to send this information, right? So let's create that. We can send this query down. So we're gonna send this, and actually we can just say edit user query and MySQLi query. And what are we gonna send it? We're gonna send it in with a connection and with a query. And we'll just make sure that if this query does not work, and we can actually, I think we can use a function. So confirm, I think we have that function there available. Confirm query. All right. If it's not available, we're gonna have to make it available. Let me see something. Let's go to functions in the admin, and it's actually available, so you're good to go. All right, so let's check it out. Let's see what kind of errors we get, if we get any. All right. All right, perfect. Let's call it Suaves. Update user. Query failed. You have an error. All right. We might not be picking up this ID. All right. So we need to check on that. How can we miss on that? Right here, user ID. It says I have a mistake. Let's check. Let's take this comma out of there and let's check it out again. All right. First of all, Suaves update user. There we go. That was the problem. All right. Let's go ahead and check out the users. You see that? Suave. So everything's going good. Great. Let's change the reco to recos. Subscribe it to admin. And let's check it out again. Perfect. Rico, Suaves. Let's check. Let's change this to subscribe. See if we're getting that. Perfect. So everything's working fine. We're able to update our users, and we can update them from here also. We can delete them if we wanted to. So we are golden right now. If you were able to do this with me, congratulations. You're doing great. Do not give up. Remember that the more information you get, the better you become. The more mistakes you make as a developer, and is the more practice you get. So you will become better eventually. All right. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this lecture, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't give up. Take care.